Deacon George. I'm the chaplain for South Sudanese Catholic community in the Archdiocese of Melbourne, and I'm also a deacon in St. Mary's Church in Dandenong. The use of alcohol and drugs in our community has a lot of impact, and now we can see the problem that is happening in the community, whether within our young people, even within the families. Families are now broken, families are divided because of this use of alcohol and drugs. I'm 53 years old. I've never tasted any drink all my life. And I can see that, in my life, that I focus more. I don't have any problem with anybody else, but imagine if I drink, I can't fight, I can do silly things. So drug and alcohol affect our families, affect the person itself, and then also the people that are surrounded that particular, whether you are a child or your husband or wife, brother or sister, it breaks always relationships. And this is what we are now experiencing in our community. And there's a lot of use within our young people. In our culture, young people, they don't drink, because if you drink, who is going to marry you, your daughter or the son, or who is going to, to give your daughter to you, if you are a boy, or what girl are you going to marry if the daughter, if the girl start drinking? So it is totally against our cultures, but we live in our new home, Australia, where there are free choice. So the alcohol affect our community a lot. I think there are reasons why people are doing that, why young people are drinking, why drugs are used. So the solution is that, yes, whatever situation that you might be in, there is always a solution. A drug or alcohol cannot solve your problem. But if you need help, the help is available. We have too many organizations that are working with our community. We can do referral, talk to somebody about it, and just avoid yourself from wrong people that are dragging you to do this. Connect yourself with the right people, whether you are a young person or you are a person with a family. Just think about your life. Think about the impact that this alcohol or drugs is doing to your life. So what we can do is just, let us talk about it. Let us talk about it among our community and in our churches, and let us be also ready to work with different organizations that are helping in this kind of, experts who are working on how to help those who are drug and alcohol addicts. And there are many organizations within our community or in the wider community that can help us. Always seek for help. My message is that condemnation is always sometimes hard. We need to find ways how to, you cannot change a person by being harsh, but it is a process. Let us accept whoever doing that, and let us help while that person will feel that she is or is being surrounded by the family. But if we reject them, they will always go and find other people. So this will be another thing. Other things also, when there are many seminars that is conducted by the community of different organizations. When you hear about a seminar that talks about alcohol and drug use, come. When you come there, is not you coming to listen, and you will go out with a message. And also let us take advice from our families. If you live in the family, if your mom and dad said what you are doing is wrong, she knows, but because she wants the best for you, you always listen. Because at the end, these are your parents. And the parents, at the end, this is your daughter and this is your son. You have also to accept, the way it's good to help them than to condemn them or to reject them. So help is available. Please seek for help. And if you seek for help, the help is always there, whether through all different organizations, CMY, CSG, African Host, all these organizations that are working with our community, the help is there. And there's a Windom community, Junubi Windom. There are many organizations, community in abundance, always seek for help. And parents also, if you see a child, your child is going through this, also talk to the community, talk to elders, seek help, because you can't do it by yourself. But if you ask for help, the help is there, because it is your child. You know it. It is happening in your house. It's not happening outside. If it is happening in your house, you will be the one to report or to talk to or to ask for help, and the help will be available.